Let's make some quick and easy peanut butter and mascarpone cheese bites. Okay, for this quick and easy recipe, we're going to start with 1 cup of this natural peanut butter that has sea salt in it, 1/4 cup of butter, and 1/4 cup of coconut oil. A little bit more on that later and why I'm using the coconut oil. And then we're going to use 1 cup of the mascarpone cheese. And then to add some sweetness to it, we're just going to use a tablespoon of this powdered swerve sweetener. You can use the sweetener of your choice. This is just what I like to use. And then we're going to put everything in the silicone mold here. So we'll start by mixing these ingredients together. This is the 1 cup of mascarpone cheese. We'll get that into a large mixing glass here. You can use a bowl, whatever's big enough to put everything in. I'll just clean off the spatula there to make sure we've got all of the cheese into the bowl. Now this is going to be a fairly thick batter when it's all said and done, but it'll still freeze up in the mold really nice. So here we're going to add our 1 cup of salted peanut butter. Now you can use just regular natural peanut butter. It doesn't need to be salted. You can add your own salt or just not at all. I just really enjoy the flavor of this sea salt peanut butter. And then we're going to add in our sweetener, and then we'll start mixing. Okay, so that's all mixed together. Now I've melted the butter and coconut oil. We're gonna add that in. Now I like to use coconut oil in things like this because it helps the mixture freeze better. So we'll get that all mixed in. Okay, so we have a nice smooth mixture here. We'll clean off the spatula again, and we'll get ready to divide this up into our bites in the silicone mold. So I'm going to use this little cookie scooper here. Makes it easier to divide up, and we'll start filling up these mini bite molds here. Okay, so I'm just going to press these down a little bit to fill up the molds. As you can see, we got 20 of the bites out of this mix. So there they are, all ready to go. So we'll put these in the freezer for a couple hours. And this is what they look like when they come out. Now you could add things like sugar-free chocolate chips to this if you want, or you could even mix in some melted chocolate. That would be really good as well. But I just wanted to start with these ingredients today. So it turned out really good. The nice and creamy with the cheese and the salted peanut butter. So I was definitely happy with how they taste. So let's give this a try. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed the recipe, and we'll see you on the next one. Keep on thriving, my friends.